students, welcome to online class. We are doing exercise 12.1 and in this exercise question number 1 we have done yesterday and question number 2 is different. So we will do question number 2. The triangular side wall of a flyover has been used for advertisement. So फ्लाईओवर का एक वॉल जो है वो एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए यूज होता है, जो मैंने यहाँ पे बना दिया आपके बुक में. In your book there is a diagram of flyover is given. So check that diagram from your book and only triangle is taken from there. So measurement of these triangles is 120 meter, 122 meter and 22 meters. 6 sides are given and these are of 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meters. So firstly I have to mention that given part, what is given in question. So in given sides of wall are sides of walls are there 122 meter, second one is 120 meter and last one is 22 meter. These three sides are given here, no? Now we have to find its area for how much area is of this wall of advertisement wall. For this we have to find first semi perimeter of that. No, sir, perimeter. Firstly we have to find semi perimeter, then we will use that thing into in area. So S equal to A plus B plus C upon 2 and S is semi perimeter here, no? Yes, so value of A, B and C we have to put here. So what is the value of A? Suppose 122 plus 22 is the second side plus 120 meter upon 2. Add all these three and find what will be came. 122, 22 and 120 upon 2. Add all these three and find. So if we add, then we will get 264 upon 2 because this 2 is there. And if we divide it by 2, then we will get 132 meter or semi perimeter. So we find it semi perimeter of that triangular wall is 132 meter. Now what we have to find? We have to find the area of that triangle. So area of triangle equal to, so area of triangle is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So what we have to do in further step, we have to put the value of S and A, B and C, that means the three sides of this advertisement board. Okay. So we are putting the value of S, A and B and C from opposite. So again I am taking under root sign and value of S is 132 and again 132 minus A, that means value of A is 122. Again 132 minus B, what is the value of B? There is 22 and in last value of S is 132 minus C, C that means 120. So I have written all the values. Now we have to solve this. So again we have to take a under root sign. This 132 I am writing as it is. 132 minus 122, that means 10. So I am writing it in multiply 10. Multiply 132 minus 22, that means 110. And in last 132 minus 120, that means multiply 12. Okay. Yes. So we find it 132 multiply 10 multiply 110 and multiply 12, and this is inside the root. So we have to find the common multiples of this. So in the place of 132 I can write 12 into 11, because if you multiply 12 by 11 then you will get 132. Okay, because 12 tens are 120 and 120 plus 12 it is 132. That's why 12 into 11 I written here, no? Multiply 10 because 10 is written here. So as it is 10 I am writing. Then there is 110. So 11 into 10 we can write or not? 11 tens are 110. and last there is 12, so I am writing 12 only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now make pairs. So there is 12 and there is one more 12. So 12 is coming outside. Okay. There is 11. There is one more 11. So 11 will be came outside. And last there is 10 and there is also 10. So 10 will be also come outside. All the numbers inside the root came outside. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Nothing is inside the root. So find the multiply them and find the
1000.
yes, because 11 into 12 there is 132 and 110, that means 10 you have to write, huh?
Yes.
So this is the area, only area of that triangular side, ना?
Yes.
हम लोगों को पहले एरिया फाइंड करना था क्योंकि हम लोगों को ये फाइंड करना है, आगे क्वेश्चन का सेकंड पार्ट में क्या फाइंड करना है और भी कुछ है. सो फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगुलर साइड व्हिच वी हैव डन, ना? Also in question given that advertisement earning in a year is rupees 5,000, na? That means in a year, that means how much month? 12 month. So therefore advertisement earning in a month equal to, in a month equal to what will be there? 5,000 divided by 12. We are not going to divide it. We are left that thing as it is now. Now what we have to find in question? We have to find a company had one of its wall for 3 months. How many months? देखो एक महीने के लिए इतना पैसा देगी कंपनी, ठीक है? कितना? 5,000 अपॉन 12 और कितने महीने के लिए निकालना है अपन को?
3.
ठीक है. सो देयरफॉर
सर जो आंसर है तो
एडवर्टाइजमेंट अर्निंग इन 3 months. So how much earning will be in 3 months? 5,000 upon 12 multiply by 3 and multiply by 1320. Why I am writing 1320 here?
because it's the area.
So one thing I missed there. There is rupees 5,000 earning for per meter square, na? For per meter square. And our area is, total area of triangle is 1320 meter square. 1320 meter square. Total area is 1320 meter square. So advertisement earning in 3 months will be 5,000 upon 12 multiply by 3 multiply by 1320. So that's why I have written there 1320 multiply by 3 because 3 is the month of number of months. 1320 is the area of triangle and 5000 upon 12 is the earnings in 1 month. In 1 month. Okay. So because in 12 month there is earning is 5,000. So in 1 month divided by 12.
Yes, sir.
Now 12 ones are 12. How much left here? 1 and 2? 12. So again 12 ones are? And there is 0, so that's why I am writing there 0. So what is left? 5,000 multiply by 3 multiply by 110. So do multiplication of it and find the answer. What will be the answer? So final answer will be rupees 165,000. Okay. So this is your answer. That much for today. Okay.
165,000.
So that much for the today, and this exercise 12.1 is completed now. From tomorrow we will start exercise 12.2. Thank you.